जब आसमान बरसता है तो धरती भी कभी कभी हिम्मत हार जाती है। इम्फाल, जो हमेशा अपनी सुंदरता और शांति के लिए जाना जाता है, इस बार बादलों के क्रोध से बेहाल है। लगातार बारिश ने शहर को थाम कर रख दिया है। सड़कों पर पानी का सैलाब, गलियों में घुटनों तक भरा पानी और हर तरफ बेचैन चेहरों की झलक। निचले इलाकों में बाढ़ जैसी स्थिति बन गई है। बारिश की तेज बौछारों ने घरों, दुकानों और दिलों में भी डर भर दिया। जहां कल लोग बाइक से निकलते थे, वहां आज लोग जूते उतारकर पैदल चलते नजर आ रहे हैं। हालात बिगड़ता देख पुलिस प्रशासन भी हरकत में आई और बाढ़ से पीड़ित लोगों को बचाने में तत्पर दिखाई दी। इन्फ्लेटेबल नावों की मदद से फंसे लोगों को सुरक्षित स्थानों पर ले जाया गया, जहां उन्हें उचित व्यवस्था दी जाएगी। ये सिर्फ बारिश नहीं है, ये एक चेतावनी है कि हमारे शहरों की व्यवस्था अभी भी कितनी असहाय है। कारें बंद हो गई हैं, बाइक रुक गई हैं और लोग बस चलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कहीं भी पहुंचने की।
We came to know in the morning. In fact, for last about 4 days, we've been monitoring the developing situation. We've been keeping a very close watch and coordination with the state administration with respect to the developing flood situation. And yesterday also there was a coordination carried out with the SDRF, the state disaster response team, as also with the NDRF team. And we have shared our helpline numbers with all the agencies. We have published in the local newspapers. They have been given to everyone. People can get in touch with us. And we have got, as of now, 8 columns already deployed along with the our boats. We've also got the resources of the engineers from the 57 division from Limakong, and our combined teams right now are undertaking the rescue work wherever the breaches are occurring. Right now near Hengyang, where the breaches occurred, there are already reports of some people marooned there. Our columns have rushed there at that point to provide some relief there. Also in the town where all the breaches are taking place, people are reaching out to us. Our columns are getting mobilized and trying to reach in those places. These teams are self-contained. We have clubbed some life-saving medicine along with them. As of now, it is the initial time. People may not require it, but from tomorrow, in case if the situation continues to be this bad, then some food, water, and such basic life-saving drugs, they'll be part of our teams. We are prepared to cater for that type of contingency. As of now, our riflemen and men both are out in the field, and they are providing relief and rescue work to stranded people.
We were expecting this kind of a thing to happen because last night there was very heavy rain in the catchment area, in Kangpokpi area in particular. So since we are aware and prepared, what we had done was that we had kept all the department in readiness. The materials were all stocked. The vulnerable points had been strengthened. And in addition, we had hired a lot of vehicles, lot of JCBs and all, along with poles, bamboo chatai, mud. All those things had been done pre-arranged and had been placed at the location only, rather than keeping it in a godown and then bringing it at the time of flood. So that has saved a lot of things. Luckily, there has not been any breach so far, but the rain has been so heavy that the river is overflown beyond the banks. So that has led to this flood, particularly one area where, I mean, you see this flood, this is happening here. Because of one particular point after Nongpok Thong, the water has come towards Chekon.
इन्फाल की सड़कों पर सिर्फ पानी नहीं बह रही है एक उम्मीद कि अगली बार बारिश आए तो शहर रोए नहीं, मुस्कुराए। ये इन्फाल है, हिम्मत की बाढ़ में भी खड़ा रहने वाला शहर।